Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Paradise Living in Asia. Today I'd like to share a very fun game with you guys called Epic Lightsaber Bubble Wars. So this week in my class we've been learning about superheroes and I decided to have a little fun game. And basically what you do is you get some swimming pool noodles, you cut them in half, you wrap some duct tape or gray tape around it, about two hands width apart, and some black tape on the ends. And then I used a black marker here to kind of draw the button. I did have some red here, it rubbed off because I didn't have a permanent marker. But yeah, these DIY lightsabers were used. We went outside with some bubbles and we're just kind of hitting the bubbles. A few tips and advice I have for this game is use a bubble gun. I was doing a wand, so it was taking longer and it wasn't as efficient. My school provided me a gun, but unfortunately I didn't have any batteries for them. So anyways, check out this short clip. Hope you guys enjoy it. Give me a like, subscribe, and may the force be with you always.
Go, go. Wow, go, go, go. Jump on the bubble. Whoa! Girls, woohoo! Yeah. And good. Use that force. Woo! Go, go.